Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. Today I'm smoking my 2021 St. Nicholas 320 KS. Mark, thank you. Welsh Piper, thank you so much for this. And in it I am smoking Frog Morton on the Bayou. How could I forget that? What a wonderful, wonderful tobacco. So today I wanted to do a package opening I got from James Stumbo. Using my Benchmade Presidio, my everyday carry knife. And there is no note in here, it doesn't look like, but we've got McSween's Resurrection. McSween's Resurrection, it says. I thought it said McSween's Reserve. McSween's Resurrection, which is, I believe, this is one of James's personal blends that he makes. I think I've seen Simon got some of this. A few other guys have got it. Man, that smells good. That's got that real, like, vinegary, ketchup-y smell to it. I don't know what is in this. I'll have to get with James and find out. It's got a real fine cut to it. Real fine cut. Very fine cut tobacco, it looks like. Man, it's got some good smell. It's got that real, what I call barbecue smell to it. It's got that ketchup-y, like ketchup or vinegar smell that I love. So it's probably got some dark fireds in there. Man, that smells good. So I will be smoking this in my next video. James, thank you. I'll get with James and try and find out what all is in this, if he can tell me what's in it. If he will tell me what's in it. I know I believe I heard somebody say there's something in here that you can't get anymore, so it's kind of a rare blend. McSween's Resurrection. I keep wanting to say Reserve. McSween's Resurrection. James, thank you so much, brother. So I will check that out. It's a beautiful day here. It's cold, I think it's about 35 degrees, 36 degrees out here, but sunny, blue skies, absolutely beautiful. Kodak's laying out here with me. He's loving it. All the snow is gone. It's just beautiful. It's been raining the last couple days, and today is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous out. Today I'm using my 1964 Zippo. You can see all the chrome is worn off of that. Both sides, it's just throttled. I love this Zippo. This is my number one Zippo. That's the one I use every single day just about. I also have the one made for me by Zippo Daily Fix. This one has the wood on both sides. You can see that one. This one's out with me every day as well. I always have two Zippos out in case one goes dry on me. But I've been carrying this one with me for 20 some years at least. I used to search out the most beat up Zippos I could find. Those were the ones I always wanted. I would look for the most beat up Zippos I could find because usually they were the cheapest, for one thing. And I just loved the look of them, and I loved that they obviously were loved and they had a story to them. There was a story to that Zippo. It wasn't just on a shelf for however long it had been around. It was used. And I like to think about, whoever had that Zippo used it. They held it. They rubbed it. They had worries. They had thoughts. They had concerns. They had a life. They held it in their hands, and they lived their life, and that Zippo was an intricate part of their life, and obviously this one had been held and had been worked in their hand, and this had been a companion to somebody. It's been a companion to me. It's been with me for decades, and it's seen many things in my life, and it's seen things in somebody else's life before I got it. And I like to, when I'm smoking my pipe, sometimes I'll sit and I just look at this Zippo and I just wonder, what has this Zippo been through with the person who owned it before me? I know what it's been through with me, but what was it going through? What has it gone through with the person who owned it before me? Has this... It's just fun to think about, It's interesting to think about. It's got a history. It's got a story. It's got a story to tell. You just, in my mind, I just think about that. Wonder, what's it been through? What's it seen? What did the person go through who had it before me? What kind of trials and tribulations, what kind of good things did they have happen in their lives? What kind of, kids, grandkids? I got a deer over in the corner over here, and Kodak hasn't spotted it yet. But it's interesting to think about. I'm also really happy to see that Danny River Rat74 is back making videos. If you guys haven't seen Danny River Rat74, some of you new guys, go check him out. Danny was around for a long time previously, and then a couple of years ago he took down his channel, and he had a lot going on, and took down his channel and was living his life, and recently decided to come back and join us again. And I am so glad, so happy. I am thrilled that Danny is back making videos with us. Danny is one of the really good dudes in the YTPC, and I consider him a really, really good friend, and he is just a sweet, I know he'll hate me saying that, but he's just a cool dude, down to earth guy, and just really one of the good dudes in the YTPC. And so he's just restarting his channel. Put it back up. Just starting to make videos again. So check Danny out. So Rat74. I'll put a link down below. Go give him a shout. Look, check him out. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed to him. You should be subscribed to him. He's a kick, boy. He's a kick to be subscribed to, and you will have a blast watching his videos. I just love Danny. I love Danny. One of the truly good dudes in the YTPC. And you never know what you're going to get with Danny. Which makes his videos fun to watch. And he was snowed in this last couple days at his house. He lives in Ohio. And he was snowed in, and I love that guy. I truly do. I love Danny. Check out Rat74. It is so good to be out here making a video again. And I don't like the rain. I need to find a place to make videos in the rain. I need to get a smoke shed or something going out here. Someplace I can make videos when it's raining. I guess I can go out in the barn. Just the lighting is so bad out there. Need to get another tripod, stick it out in the barn. Well, this is just about done, so I'm gonna call this one over. And I will catch y'all later. Love y'all. God bless you. And I will talk to you later. Have a good one. God bless.